Parece ser que hay que trabajar de tal manera que se pueda generar ese valor en el cliente, porque al final el cliente final es el objetivo. La crisis mundial que estamos viviendo, imagino que también ha afectado a esa cadena de valor, ha hecho relación a ello, incluso en cómo se ha reducido de forma significativa el número de trabajadores en los procesos de fabricación. Pero bueno, parece que estamos saliendo un poco de esa crisis. No sé si hay alguna pauta que se podría dar en ese sentido como para personalizar esas cadenas de valor y para ser diferentes y más competitivos.
Yeah, I think the customization is one way to better fulfill human needs and reduce the waste. Okay, I don't mean we need to customize everything. I mean there are a lot of products. Okay, we will be just as comfortable as good to have a commodity products. Okay, like some rice, flowers, all this commodity. You know, the energy source. I mean, those some of the things have to be commodity. But I think the important part is what we should think about. How do we more focus to the value creations, okay? And how do we capture the value and deliver the value? And that's where we can think the crowd could get in to help out.
Yeah. Esa creación de ese valor añadido pasaría también por la colaboración entre socios internacionales.
Yeah, I think at the end of the day, we want to get to where can the value best created, okay? And that should not be limited to one locations or one country or one continent, okay? We should try to find where are the best capabilities. And this kind of competition is good for all of us. Yeah. So.
Mm-hmm. Y precisamente en relación a esta pregunta que le hacía, ¿cómo podemos conseguir esto? Posiblemente sea algo más difícil. ¿Cómo podemos conseguir que se rompan todas esas barreras que quedan todavía en el comercio internacional? Sabemos que, bueno, Asia es un continente difícil para las empresas europeas. Algunos de los empresarios que han intentado abrir mercados pues han encontrado con algunas dificultades, principalmente la del idioma puede ser una de ellas, la distancia, la cultura en sí. Hay que buscar esa unión. ¿Cuál es la clave para esa unión? No sé si tiene usted la clave.
I don't mean we have to eliminate culture elements. I think we should respect the culture. I think we should, try to put more emphasis to our culture because, the globalization does not mean we will make everyone standardized. And then the life would not be that interesting anymore. So I think it would be more important that we, on one hand, we try to tap into capability. We also try to be, reach out, okay, working with others. Okay? I think that I think there are some metropolitan cities are more advanced than others. I think that, in some way, I've been here 6 years. Okay? I still have some difficulty to find food, okay? Find a restaurant to eat because I always arrive on Sunday. Okay? And it's very difficult to find a restaurant. Maybe someone can help me next time. I can find a place to eat.
Yo creo que sí.
So, yeah. So I think it's both ways. I don't think that there was the differences among us, okay, to make us special, okay? And I don't think we should make everyone the same. Then the life will not be interesting. Okay? But on the other hand, I think that, to be able to communicate, to be able to, and I think that should be also part of our education goal, okay? To make the life more open and to make the movement of idea and the goods and the service, okay, easier, okay, will be good for all of us. Yeah.
Un par de cuestiones más. Estamos hablando de Estados Unidos como gran potencia, hablamos también de Europa por la parte que nos toca y sobre todo además en estos momentos que poco a poco pues, parece que estamos despuntando. Pero yo no sé si en esta cadena de valor los países subdesarrollados también podrían incorporarse. A lo mejor es un proceso un poquito más largo, pero para ellos también está esa cadena de valor, para países subdesarrollados.
Yeah, I think the whole idea of the supply chain has been caught on quite rapidly, okay, in some of the developing countries. Okay? I think you will be surprised to find out that in some regions, the e-commerce has already 20 or 30% of their commercial transactions. Okay? They move faster with the mobilities and everything. And I think the supply chain, if we do it right, I think it will help us be more efficient and effective and preserve our environment better. Yeah. I think I was referring to one of the examples we did in the Zaragoza logistics centers, okay, to encourage companies to have horizontal collaborations. Okay, so 50–60% of the trucks running around on the street either half empty or empty. Okay, if we can eliminate that, okay, it saves a lot of money and it reduces a lot of pollution. Yeah.